angle. An angle is formed with two rays. We have a ray that join and meet at a common endpoint. That is a common endpoint. This is a ray, and so is this. When we look at the angle, we call this common endpoint is known as the vertex. And the ray is the side. So your angles are made from rays, and they both share the common endpoint, which is known as the vertex. The ray itself is called the side of the angle, and the vertex is the commonly shared point. When you read an angle, you usually would say, if you have A, B, C, we have A and C are part of the ray that continues on its way. You usually name the angle with the vertex. So you would say angle B, or you would say angle A, B, C, with the B being in the middle. That's how we know that this is the B is the vertex. Either we can name it as the vertex alone, angle B, or we can name it angle ABC. The middle letter has to be the vertex. Degree, minute, and second are actually measures of a circle or an arc. The symbols for them are a small little circle. This symbol is for minute, and this symbol is for second. In fact, there are 360 degrees in a complete circle. 1 degree is 1/360th of the whole circle. There are 60 minutes in 1 degree and 60 seconds in 1 minute. Does it sound familiar?